My life's like a line of bars. We're trying to go down lining, but I'm not frightened by the thunderous time soon. But I'm okay. My life's like a line of bars. Some nights have been high winning, thunder strikes, and children on it with backbone. Someone else at the doorstep, he knows a part of it, a special part of it. The only thing that fits the rules to walk. Hey, 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 not all the weather in the world's gonna stop me now. My life's like a line of bars, coming with tracks of goddamn lightning, but I'm not frightened by the thunder. It's time to remember, but I'm okay. I'm home. My life's like a line of bars. Controlled by fate and decision and repetition, 'cause my life's like a lightning rod. Hours a day, but I'm distracted trying to take from my contrast all day. Danger has what I'm used to it. Ain't getting that's right. Standing in the corner feels a hollow pain. No, I'm just living life and just playing the game. Woo-hoo. Suck it up and take your own. Woo-hoo. Find the word and step away. Well, no clue that my life's like a lightning rod. Hey, hey, hey. Stuck in a whirlpool of people trying to overdo themselves in time. So I take it in, take it in, take it in. My life, lightning rod, thunder with tracks and goddamn lightning, but I'm not frightened by the thunder this time. I remember, but I'm okay. I'm home. My life's like a lightning rod. Let me live my lifetime, kinda stuck in a whirlpool of people trying to overdo themselves in time. So I take it in, take it in, take it in. My life's like a lightning rod, gonna attract some goddamn lightning, but I'm not frightened by the thunder. It's time to remember, but I'm okay. I'm on my life.